Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. And in this video I will tell you about the volume button problem in your device Samsung A20e. But before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If your device is having any issue regarding the volume button, the button which are given on the side for increase and lowering the volume. So if you are having any issue regarding the volume button in your device Samsung A20e, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve this problem.